Imagine a world where the Earth itself could communicate its pain, alerting us in real time to the damages we inflict upon it. In the realm of mining, a notoriously harsh industry on our environment, such a phenomenon is becoming reality, thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is now acting as the Earth's sentinel, safeguarding our planet by transforming how we monitor and manage the environmental impacts of mining. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the mining industry by serving as a vigilant protector of our environment. This technology not only detects anomalies and potential threats in real time, but also acts upon them to prevent damage. AI systems analyze vast amounts of data, from sensors that monitor air and water quality, soil conditions, and even the structural integrity of mining equipment. AI's ability to process and react to environmental data far surpasses human capabilities, enabling a more sustainable approach to mining. With AI, companies can quickly adjust their operations based on real-time feedback, drastically reducing their ecological footprint. Moreover, AI facilitates better compliance with environmental regulations, helping companies avoid hefty fines and public backlash. Its precision and efficiency ensure that mining impacts are kept to a minimum, preserving the environment while still extracting valuable resources. Consider the case of a large copper mine in Chile, where AI technologies were implemented to monitor toxic runoff. The AI system, equipped with predictive analytics, successfully anticipated hazardous leaks and preemptively initiated containment measures. This not only prevented the pollution of local water supplies, but also resulted in significant cost savings for the mining operation. Similarly, a diamond mine in Siberia has employed AI-driven drones to inspect and monitor the mine's vast and remote areas. These drones collect real-time data on the mine's operations and environmental conditions, which is then analyzed to optimize the mine's performance and minimize its environmental impact. These examples underscore